Pedestrians face many challenges when crossing roads with multiple travel lanes. These conditions increase risk to...
Wait. Instead of a boring presentation, why don't we explain it like this? Think of it like a sports field. Alright team, let's look at this multi-lane road to see what we can do to help pedestrians cross safely. First of all, pedestrians are likely to want to cross here, but the nearest crosswalk is way over there at the intersection. That's a long way to go with grocery bags or children in tow, and we don't want people crossing without a crosswalk. Next, look at how many lanes the person has to cross, at least 50 or 60 feet, while hoping drivers in all lanes stop for them in the crosswalk. More lanes also mean higher speeds, which leaves little time for drivers to react when they see a pedestrian. Now look at all these blind spots where drivers can't see pedestrians. Here, and here. Alright team, all in all, this crossing can use a lot of improvements to make it safer. How's that? Better?
So much better. Roll the tape.
Okay. Alright team, here's the play. First we need a crosswalk where people are most likely to cross the road. There. And let's move that bus stop from here to here so that pedestrians and drivers have clear sight lines of each other. Then we'll put advanced yield to pedestrian signs here and here. A pedestrian refuge island would really help too. And this location calls for a rectangular rapid flashing beacon to increase visibility. There, now drivers can see pedestrians much better and pedestrians can cross where it's most convenient. I'm proud of us team. We just saved lives. And break! There are many countermeasures and strategies to make pedestrian crossing safer, especially on multi-lane roads.
So try them in your community, because pedestrian safety is no game.